Welcome back, guys. We're heading out to something today called Matsuri. Now, Matsuri happens once every 6 months in my local area. It is a big drift event. It's a 2-day long drift event. We've missed the morning. It's like 4 o'clock now. Sun's going down. But you guys know me. I'm not a day person. I'm more of a night person. So let's go out to Matsuri. Now, I know for a fact, built by Kyle, Rise to Slide, and James Nolan are all out there today, so we're gonna go find them and go check out. I really want to see Xavier's new S13, so if you haven't been following him lately, he's mainly on TikTok now. He's painted his car, he got the motor done in I think 2 weeks. He rebuilt his SR, got it tuned like yesterday or the day before or something. The guy is a madman. He has done everything to get it in his power to get out to Matsuri, so I want to go out and support those guys and check out what Matsuri 2022 has to offer. So let's get out of here. Unfortunately I'm broke, so I cannot afford to take a drift car, which is devastating. It really destroys me inside. Every vlog I say this because I'm just like, I want to drive, but I'm taking a 4-wheel drive with potting mix in the back seat to a drift event. You can understand my frustration. Welcome to Matsuri, October 2022. Very nice.
Download the app today. Please subscribe. See western.com.au for full competition details. I'm ready.
Found Xavier. He is currently replacing a gearbox. Classic Xavier fashion. Car is looking mint though.
First gear limiter, brake stand, second gear limiter, and then and the whole part of the tires. Over there, is it under the tire shop?
Yeah. I like the 15 too. This thing's beasty. So we're just going for a bit of a walk around through one of the 2 or 3 pits areas. See how pretty that is. Wow, it must have rained earlier. Some nice cars. I know whose this is. This is pit number 2. Very pretty cars. The sweater in front on this 13 looks really cool. I like it. Very nice. Got rear window delete and a bonnet scoop thing on that. Check that out. That is very pretty. Whoa. We have someone down from Gladstone.
No, this is Hayden's. He's from Mackay.
Oh god, he's from Mackay.
Yeah.
So Hayden picked up this S14 Series 2, had to do a bit of work on the engine bay, but got it for a bloody steal. He's here for Matsuri.
Hey Hayden, I'm dropping your car in. You got the Big Dick Energy. Hayden's done the fully built SR. The new G, I'm pretty sure it's the G25 550.
Yep.
He's making, he wouldn't tell me the power, but he's making alright power.
It must be going alright. Doesn't look like it's leaking anything. Then we are at Matsuri. This is usually the prime time of breaking things. Nah, that's awesome. Well, I was just chasing a coolant issue. Mr. Saxon here, recently won his drift event. These guys have had to cut some lines. Where's your line that you're talking about? Your line? That line? Okay, well pretty much you split a radiator line. There we go. Damn. It's not the best thing for Matsuris. That's a nice looking 180. All business. This 86 is beautiful. It's like black glitter. Look at that. So pretty. RB20 power! See, it's not just me that's like mains hard on 20s. Dad, you're a fellow RB20 32 owner. That's just the way we drive.
Yeah, pretty much. Always on it.
Ah, Chip's calling my name. We need hot food. This is breakfast. o'clock. Hold on, so you can see me. I think this will all wrap up at about 10. And then everyone will be camping the night. Well, anyone that's here that's got cars. People like myself, spectating, will probably go and then come back tomorrow. What are we doing? At the moment I'm trying to find Dane from Loco, because he snapped his caster arm out of his car and he welded it into the car. It doesn't have a welder, so if I can find him a welder, he might be right to be able to keep driving tomorrow instead of only getting half a day of Matsuri, which is a 2-day event. I want to drive so bad though. That is pretty. That is crazy. I like it. Let's check out Miss Marie's S14. I've not seen her in ages. Last time, I think this was LS. Whew, it looks like she got even more spicier. So yeah, this is Kate's S14. Kate does drift, but she's been in and out of drifting for the last couple of years. Well, not out of, but I mean, building cars and trying to get her stuff running, mainly. You guys recognize this kit? I'll give you a clue. It starts with Spirit, ends in Rain.
It's got to be white, hey? It's got to go back to white. The black, the lines disappear.
Yeah, that's why I didn't recognize it.
I hate white cars with a passion.
So it's factory 326 white, and like basically there's a dude in the States who's got a white.